Please be advised that the images and information you are about to encounter could be disturbing to some audiences.
Someone needs to get over here ASAP.
Okay, stay on the line.
We will explore the inherent risks that police officers face in their line of work.
There's another gunshot.
Okay.
And the potential consequences of being in the line of fire. On October 11, 2024, a Los Angeles County Sheriff's deputy responded to a domestic violence call in Castaic, California. The caller reported gunshots and described a suspect in a black t-shirt. The deputy identifies the vehicle, and as he pulls up, he sees a man with a gun in his hand in a physical altercation with the woman.
Oh, yeah, come down.
10-3, give me the patch. Nine 998 Sloan Canyon Road. Give me the patch. Give me the patch. Where's the gun?
Upon arriving and assessing the situation, the deputy drew his firearm and neutralized the immediate threat.
Move.
It's right there. Oh, my God.
Staff units 998 Sloan Canyon Road, Parker Road. Let me get units code.
When he approached the car, the deputy also discovers there's a child inside the car. No other persons were injured. Despite being shot during the altercation and fainting from the impact, the 43-year-old male suspect survived without life-threatening injuries. This all started when a local resident was concerned with an escalating disturbance on the street.
911, what is your emergency?
Yeah, we've got a domestic dispute going on just before you get to Sloan Canyon, Parker Road. Ooh, somebody just shot a 38. I think so. I think someone needs to get over here ASAP.
Okay, stay on the line for me.
And so, obviously, we are talking about a weapon being involved. So.
Yeah, I do have the deputy. And did you get a clothing description? Sorry, I was listening to my radio also.
There's another gunshot.
Okay.
Looks like he's got a black T-shirt on.
Witnessing the disturbance escalate as he locates the individuals, the deputy takes action. This portion of the video shows the deputy's view as the suspect is holding onto the victim and with a gun in his right hand, turned in the direction of the deputy. 2 handguns recovered at the scene, a loaded .22 caliber revolver and a loaded 9mm handgun. Investigators say the suspect fired the handgun twice, one of those times into the car occupied by his child. He's been charged with assault with a firearm, false imprisonment, child endangerment, and other weapon offenses. As with all officer-involved incidents, the use of force is subject to ongoing investigation. Thanks for watching. If this video added value or insight, a like and a subscribe go a long way in helping us grow a community focused on awareness, safety, and real-life decision-making.